So I'm just going to take you with me as we explore the fish market. Wow, this is amazing. Hey, if you're a squeamish viewer who don't like the sight of blood, look away now. Tens of thousands of fish that are being caught here. Good morning. It is day 8 on my Bali adventure, documenting the island's plastic crisis. This morning I've come down to a place called Kedonganan beach, which is home to Bali's biggest traditional fish market. So I've come down today just to get an idea about the fishing culture, fishing community, and make some images to try to show how plastic is affecting this community. It's a bit of a wet day. I don't know if you can see the rain. It's about 7:30 in the morning, and I think that might have affected some of the fishermen going out last night. However, I still want to check out this fish market. So I'm just going to take you with me this morning as we explore the fish market. You can see here a lot of the plastic that's still lying on the beach after the waves of plastic that came last week. If you saw my videos, you will have seen how that happened, why that happened. And so we're just going to explore a little bit more, take some pictures and show you what the fish market is like. Just over here, you can see all the fishermen bringing in their catches, and these boats are actually quite fully loaded. Hello, hello. See, everyone's very friendly. Bringing in all the fish. If you look down, you can see this is a pretty polluted part of the coastline here. I mean, with Bali being an island, obviously fishing is a huge part of Balinese culture, and fishing has always been a huge part of that culture and a really important part of the economy here. And in terms of plastics, I think we've all heard about the issue of microplastics and how the more plastics that are in our ocean, the more that are getting into the seafood, and that's a huge problem. And so that is an important part of the story as well. But here at 7:30 in the morning in the rain, the local people here are selling their catches, and I think this gives you a good idea of the selection of different species of fish that they're catching here in the markets. Okay, if you're a squeamish viewer who don't like the sight of blood, look away now, pause or skip a minute or two. Okay, here we've got a chap cutting up the fish. Pretty common scene in a fish market, obviously. Separating out into fillets that will be sold to the local restaurants. You know, Bali is all based on tourism. Feeding the tourism industry, feeding the tourists, feeding the local people. This is just part of it.
Cakalang berapa kilonya?
I've been told something. Oh, big catch over there. So they're hauling in the catch. We're just going to go down and have a look. Let's go. This looks really good. Dodge the rope. Wow, this is amazing. Look at this. Look at this huge catch the fishermen have just brought in. So coming down here, you can see the tens of thousands of fish that are being caught here. Some of this will, I was told by some of the locals that a lot of this is processed into pet food. of all things. Obviously a lot of this fish will go into, you know, the local tourism industry to feed the tourists that, you know, make up 80% of Bali's economy. But it's difficult to see. I don't eat fish myself, not very often, but coming down here to see these scenes, it really makes you, you know, realize or think about the constant depletion of our oceans, and also the role that plastic has to play in the fishing industry and the effect on marine ecosystems, and how that plays into all the challenges that we are currently facing with our oceans. And it's only by coming here, seeing these scenes, that, you know, it really brings it home again. Wow, now that was an intense situation, photographing those guys as they brought the catch in. But I really wanted to get in close. I'm completely soaked now, but that's just part of the job. I just wanted to get in there, try and show you what it felt like. I think the best shot maybe was when I got really close to the guys as they pulled the catch in, as the waves came in. Have to have a look at the edit and see what those images look like, but that looked pretty good. Okay, we're ducking for cover yet again. The heavens have opened yet again. It is a shower after shower after shower this morning. So we're just hiding from the rain for a few minutes. Okay, we're just going to walk into this different section of the fish market here. I have no idea what we're going to see. Let's go inside and find out. This one is indoors. This one is covered. It's a bit of a separate section from the one that we've just been visiting. Let's go in. Oh wow. Okay, here they've got a huge selection of all the different kinds of fish that have been caught from the fishing boats that we've just been looking at. So here it gives you a really good idea of the wide selection of fish that have been caught. We've got the tuna down here. We've got some type of squid, some species of squid. We've got lots of different types of fish. Have a look. It's in a place like this you get a really good idea of all the different types of fish that have been caught, all different species. different sizes, different colors. All the smells, as you can imagine, are pretty pungent, but that's to be expected in a fish market. Lots of different colourful types of fish. Could do with a fish expert here with me to help identify everything. But the market just goes on and on down here. Hello, hello. And yeah, this is where local people will come, and a lot of this fish will be destined for the restaurants to feed the tourism industry. And this is what keeps a large part of this local economy going. Okay, that's pretty much it for the fish market this morning. I hope that's given you a good idea of what the market and the fishing industry is like here, the traditional fishing industry here in southern Bali. So that's a wrap for this morning. Don't forget to check out the other videos in the series, and I will see you in the next video.